Morning, Greg. How are you doing today?
Very good, thank you.
Tell us what you're doing here.
We're here at the Rohdins Classic Car annual meet, and we're representing Prestige Parts on behalf of IntroCar.
What have we got on the table to show people?
We've got an array of parts from all years of cars, starting from clutch kit from like Mark 6s, and we've got some.
So this clutch kit, this can be fitted to any Mark 6 and R type with a manual gearbox, regardless of whether it's a 10 or 11 inch, is that right?
Correct.
Yeah, and it comes with all the gaskets and seals
All the
required.
gaskets open needed.
It's also got a modern set of springs to reduce clutch judder and a brand new flywheel.
Which you can see.
Yeah.
We've got some hydraulic tappets for all V8 models. Got like an early Mark 6 water pump.
So this is just a small like sample of the parts that we've got.
It's just a random selection of bits that we've got from all years, from early all the way through.
Great.
Yeah, so just going to see how the day goes. Hopefully it's a good one.
All right. Catch you up in a bit.